started by flying into Malpensa and grabbing an express train to the central station.
Hey Arjun, where are we?
We're at the train station. Here comes the train. That's totally not where I thought the train was coming.
It's a comfortable way to get there, and takes about an hour. Getting around town is best by metro, but if you are in a hurry, you won't find UberX available. You can get the local My Taxi app and hail cabs right from your phone. We found our way to Sapori Solari, where we ate a delicious variety of carpaccio, cured, and cooked meats.
Good afternoon. We just checked into our Airbnb in Milan. We had lunch, lots of meat, and we're just kind of hanging out here, and then we're going to be off to our activity I booked for us tonight.
Airbnb offers more than just places to stay. We found a handmade pasta cooking experience.
Today we're going to visit the Duomo and the Last Supper painting.
We're also going to visit the Santa Maria del Grazi Monastery and the Sforza Castle. But first, coffee. We're at the Duomo.
At the Last Supper painting, both video and flash photography are strictly prohibited, so we will have to make do with these stills. The room is a both temperature and humidity controlled environment, so the amount of time we were allowed to spend in there was limited. We recommend going with a tour guide so that you can learn about the history of this work of art.
Done. We went to this place for aperitivo. We got drinks and they come around with little like appetizers.
This was also a great place right by the Duomo and was a relaxing way to wrap up the day and get to enjoy the sight of the Duomo lit up at night.